So, I'm a big shift knob otaku, okay? I've been collecting them for like years now. Most of my favorite ones actually are right behind me. If you're like me and you're obsessed about shift knobs, you probably already heard about a company called Likewise. Likewise is an Australian-based company. They make the best shift knobs in the world, basically. Not only the quality, it's also like all the designs, kind of like the branding as well. I mean, those guys are really smart. I really like what they made with the brand. And was it last week? Yeah, I think last week they released a new one called the Ghost. And I just lost it. I'm gonna tell you why in a second. This is JC, and this is my unboxing and installation of the new Likewise Ghost shift knob. Okay, so basically that's where I'm supposed to like play like a YouTuber intro kind of thing, but I don't have one, so yeah, just let's move on. Okay, so this is the one. I ordered it a couple of days ago. It came out yesterday. It was super fast. I actually already have a Likewise knob in the Elise right now. That's the NAD. It's the round one, the heavy version. It's just perfect. I love it. It's the same shape as the OEM one, a little bit bigger, and it's heavier, so it feels great. I love this one. But you know, once in a while, I just want to try something else, and that's why I picked that one. So I couldn't really decide on the color. That's why I ordered two, you know, and a couple other things as well. So let's just dive into it. I can't wait anymore. I just want to open the box. All right, let's check it out. All right, nice. So here we have. This is the first one, the Ghost Black, the full black one, and I got the white one as well with a black base. Okay, I got another NAD. This one is for a friend, so I'm not gonna open this one because I don't want him to be pissed. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here. What else? So yeah, I got two adapters, M12 1.5, and also lanyard. And I love, like, they always send me stickers. That's cool. The customer experience, that's very important, you know. All right, I'm gonna leave it here for a while. Okay, now the best part. I love the packaging. That's something that is a big part of like the experience, you know, when you buy something. Ta-ta! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, let's check it out. First, the weight. Oh yeah, it feels good. I was a little bit worried. So, okay. I told you before, I was really excited about this shift knob, and for one simple reason. They just made the perfect shift knob. It's made out of Delrin. So you have the texture, the feeling, you know, and the look as well. I really like the look, the matte kind of finish. But they use a steel base. It's much heavier than just Delrin, and you have like the best of both worlds, basically. So yeah, that's why I was really excited about this piece of art, basically. And if you can see here, engraving, machined, it's beautiful. As usual, perfect finish. That's really nice. They have something really cool as well inside. This is this O-ring inside the base. It helps when you have like reverse lock, you know. It helps to guide the lock inside, so you don't have like any scratches, or like it doesn't feel like it's, you know, scratching on either the lock or the inside of the shift knob. It's really cool. All right, and I'm just going to unpack the white one as well because I want to see how it looks like too. All right, here you go. Ta-ta! Oh yeah, oh yeah, nice. I don't regret getting both of them because like I think I'm gonna use both of them actually. All right, yeah. This is like the white finish I was talking about. In my car, I think black would fit better, so that's why I got the black. That was the main one. But I was like, yeah, the image I have of like this like sequential gearbox shift knob is white, so I just got the white as well, just in case I change my mind, you know. Okay, so this one, it weighs 240 grams, which is a little bit lighter than the Pro version made only out of steel, but it's heavier and it feels much better than the only aluminum ones. You have two different colors, so white and black, and you can choose as well the color of the base, and you have black and brushed. If you go for a brushed base, the shift knob is $80, 80 USD. And if you go for the black one, it's 95. Okay, so full black. Those two, they were both 95 using the black base. Okay, you're gonna need an adapter as well. They recently changed their adapting system. It's called the Pro Plus, I think. Just go on the website. I'm going to put a link below, so of course you can just check which one suits your car basically. They have a couple of other options, especially for like reverse lock cars, and also you can do custom engravement. I guess for this one it's going to be on the base. So yeah, you can engrave basically whatever you want, your name, the car, whatever. It's cool. Let's go and put this in the car. I cannot wait. Okay, now we're in the car for the installation of the shift knob. It should be pretty straightforward because I already have a likewise knob on my car. Though the adapters are a little bit different. I'm going to remove that one first and then try the new adapters and the shift knob. Okay, let's go. Okay, you're gonna need a 16mm spanner, and the new one probably should be the same. Yeah, that wasn't enough, but it worked anyway. Okay, so let's get this one out. Check everything is okay. Okay, so now I have the new ones, the Pro. Let's open them. Oh, they even give you the X key. I really like the details. You even have the laser for your thread over there. See? From what I understood from the website, there is everything you need to know about how to install those things. Okay. Basically, the bolt on top is to adjust the angle of the knob. Okay, so let me just check how much you can go for the adjustment. Okay. All right, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to read that. That's very funny. Basically, if you can read this, you f***ed up. Okay, now I know approximately how much thread I can play with to adjust the angle. Just close it all the way down, and let's try this. I'm gonna use that one as well, just to make sure everything's okay. Okay, so now maybe as you can see, I don't have much margin to play with the reverse lock. It feels like the adapter is already, the thread is like blocking here because it's deeper than the length that I have here. Okay, if I screw it all the way down, it should come probably around here. Okay, so as you can see, it's gonna I'm not gonna be able to use the reverse lock anymore. So I need to find a way to have it here on like maybe something around here. So I probably need like around like 10 millimeter spacer inside, something like that. So I found this aluminum rod. The size is almost perfect, and it's gonna fit inside the likewise adapter. I'm gonna cut it, make it clean, and let's see if it works. Okay, so now I have my little adapter ready. I'm just gonna put it inside. I'm gonna use a small washer as well. It's a stainless steel washer. The reason why I use that one, it's because it's a little bit wider than my aluminum rod adapter inside, and it's gonna sit better on the shifter here. Okay, and let's go. Beautiful. As you can see now, I have enough room here to be able to move the reverse lock. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. It's gonna work like this. Just have to secure the adapter. So it's also a 16 millimeter. I don't have a spanner, so I'm just gonna use that one instead. Okay, so now you don't want to force too much, but you want to make sure it doesn't move afterward. Okay, should be enough. Okay, so now what's left is just like put the shift knob on. Okay, so as you can see, I mean maybe, hopefully, the logo is facing that way, and I mean it's really up to you, but I want the logo to face back. So I'm gonna use the small headless bolt, this one, to adjust the angle. Let's see, so that was around there. So it's gonna be probably here. Let's try. That's something you're gonna have to do like a couple of times to find the right position, unless you're very lucky. Almost very lucky. Went too far backward. Let's do it again. Alright, should be okay. And it is beautiful. Nice. Now the logo is in the right position, and I'm very happy. And it feels great. Yeah. Wow. Yay! Alright, so that concludes pretty much the unboxing and the installation of the new likewise shift knob, the Ghost. If you guys need any more information, just check the link down below. And that's it. That was pretty easy, even though I have to come up with the small adapter. The LE is just like, you know, specific shifter, I guess, but otherwise it's pretty straightforward. Just like put it on, secure it, and you're good to go. All right, you guys be safe and enjoy your day.